tornado watch is out. Hives here is blown over. So I'm going to try to right it. Fortunately, it is strapped together. I don't normally strap them down, but it's strapped together. But I'm just going to try to pick it up and hopefully I don't get blown away in the process. I don't know if you can hear that wind blowing, the trees blowing. It's a tornado watch. I keep looking into the sky to see what I can see. But I won't be able to record what I'm doing here, but I will tell you what happens if I get it set back up correctly. Alrighty, be right back. Unfortunately, I peeked in and they're all dead. So that hive is dead, and I just don't know what to do about it at the moment because while I was working on that, 4 more hives fell over. Oh no! So I gotta go work on this for a bit. Yet another adventure in beekeeping. So I was able to get them all put back together. It wasn't too bad. They just kind of slipped a little bit. I put them back together. The hive stand had flipped over completely, and let's see, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I can't leave them like this because it's on the ground and they're tilted with their entrances uphill. I can't leave them like that. So I'm going to have to do something here to make a makeshift stand, and they're too heavy to lift up onto that stand altogether. And it's too windy to try to open them up and do anything about it that way. So, got to think about this for a minute. Fortunately, it's not raining right now. It is cloudy all around, and it is stormy, and wind is blowing. There's a blue sky over there. But I'm going to have to take some time here and figure out what to do with these. Hopefully no other ones fall. Okay, there they are, set up on a temporary hive stand. Just a couple of pallets, and my 4x4 post in the back. They're all leaning forward, so any water is going to roll off in the front. You know, my problems are with my bees are pretty simple compared to somebody who might have lost their house or something in the storm today. So I want to say a prayer for them. Be praying for those people that may have lost something today that's of value, or person, or life. And anyway, that's all for now. God bless and have a great day.